open up ChatGPT. Next, open your Midjourney prompts in another tab. After that, go to your Midjourney prompts and then simply copy the prompt. Now paste the copied prompt on the ChatGPT bar and then click on the search button. Now it will give you the summary of your entire prompt. Then command ChatGPT to use this formula and write a prompt for a cat with wings and rocket feet. Now it will generate the prompt based on your command. Once done, now command ChatGPT to create any 6 prompts and it will give you the prompts without using any brackets. So ask ChatGPT to generate 5 prompts without using any brackets. Here, as you can see, it will generate prompts without using any brackets. Then copy a prompt and go to your Midjourney Discord. Now click on the Newbie 55 option on the left side. After that, click on the message bar at the bottom and choose Imagine Prompts. Now paste your prompt here. Once done, scroll up. And here, you can see the prompt like an oil painting of a dreamy sunlit wetlands with a small hut, birds singing, spring, D&D, oil painting, cinematic, fantasy, illustration, hand-drawn, emotional, landscape. Make sure to add a prompt as descriptive as possible. After that, scroll up again and you will find various prompts with generated images like Black Beautiful Woman, Mickey Mouse, and more. If you found Midjourney interesting and want to try it yourself, simply click on the link given in the description box. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.